and today I'm going to be showing you how to change your background on your Mac. Before we get into this video, please subscribe, like the video, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on another video. Now, let's get back to the video. So firstly, you go down to System Preferences, which is right here. Click on that, and then you go on to Desktop and Screensaver. Click on that, and then you can click a photo, which one you like. I normally have this one, but you can pick which one you want. If you want the photo to change, you press Change Photo, and you can change it when you're logging, when it's waking up from sleep, every 5 seconds, every minute, every 5 minutes, every 15 minutes, every 30 minutes, every hour, or every day. I sometimes have this mode. It's pretty good, but mostly I have it as this. You can go on to, if you don't like any of these photos, you can go into colors, and then you can pick up a plain color like green, blue, blue, violet, gold. I don't know what that color is. It looks gold. It looks a bit like gold, and black. But yeah, I normally have it as this one. You can go on photos, and it's just photos from your library, and you can put them on your desktop and screensaver. So yeah, that's how you change a screensaver on your Mac. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, like the video, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on another video. I'll be filming tutorial videos on Monday to Friday, and then on Saturday I'll be filming Fortnite video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys all next time. Goodbye.